Have you ever wondered if you could connect your hard drive directly to your phone and access all your files, movies, documents, everything instantly? So today I'm going to show you how to do that step by step. So before we begin, here's what you will need. You need an external hard drive, an external hard drive cable or connector. You also need a USB OTG adapter. And then finally, you need a smartphone that supports OTG. As you can see mine, I'm going to use Samsung S21 5G. The first thing to do is to plug your hard drive cable to it. After plugging the cable to your hard disk, take the other end and plug it into your adapter, OTG adapter. Then plug the OTG adapter into your phone. Once connected, your phone should automatically detect the hard drive. You'll see this light flashing on the hard drive. Simply go to your file manager, and then from there you will see if it is connected or not. Now let's explore. You can open, let me open, and you see what is inside. As you can see, this is the information I have in my hard drive. Let us open series. We also have Nigerian films. Let us open series and see what is inside. So you can open videos directly from your hard drive. You can play them. Anything that is in that drive, you can see it. And you can still add some or you reduce some through your phone. This is especially useful if your phone storage is full. No need to delete anything. One important thing to do is that if you want to remove or to disconnect your hard drive, always click on the three buttons. Always click on these three buttons on the right and click on eject. And now you can safely remove it. And that's it. A simple and powerful way to expand your phone storage instantly. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video. See you in the next video.